Alright, today we're going to do the campfire that's hit Northern California, and I'm going to do the sunset over San Francisco. As the smog is starting to clear, we're getting these crazy sunsets. It has a very tragic overfeel, but the sunset is really amazing. So I kind of wanted that to be my dedication to the campfire, so wish me luck. Alright, so the question of the day is, what was the most deadly fire in California? Alright, about ready to run through the colors. So this is Pearly Red, Magenta Red, Mars Black, Phthalo Blue, Ultramarine, Primary Yellow, Phthalo Green, Raw Umber, Burnt Umber, and of course, Titanium White, if I can get the focus. So now we're going to start the campfire. It's going to be kind of a red skyline here with a really intense sunset from all of the clouds. We're going to have the skyline back here and also the bridge that comes around here. So it's going to be a little bit challenging because it's going to be two different colors here plus the sunset. So we'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. Alright, so we just put down the first layer, got the initial sunset. I'm kind of laying this all in, and I'll clear out this cityscape once I really finish, and this feels really tight, and I'll do the cityscape. Hopefully I don't make any mistakes so I don't do the background. This one's basically done, and then I'll add in the bridge after this is all kind of the first layer done. Alright, wish me luck. finishing the skyline. I think this is pretty well finished. I might tighten it up, but I think I'm pretty comfortable with it. I added in this skyline. First I was kind of a gray and I added a little bit bluer so it reads true. It has this really nice edge, so that'll define the two backgrounds. So I might add an edge in here, but we'll see. And I've added the bridge. The first step at it, obviously have to add a white and the red tracers from all the cars. So we'll see how that turns out. That'll be a really fine line. And yeah, I think it's coming together. We'll see how I do the skyline. I think I might just leave this water as is. We'll see, but we should look at the next layer. All right, so it's starting the second stage. What I'm going to do this time is add in kind of the skyscraper highlights into the skyscraper here. I like this light purple. It would have been nice if I had the light purple lower, but it is what it is. I have to finish this tunnel, add lights on the bridge too as well. So we'll see how that pans out. I think the water reads okay, but it's kind of more translucent, so you know, I can use this purple from the sky. The photo does read like that, but usually there's a little blue in it, you know. But I'll just leave it as is, you know, that's what the photo tells me. Okay, so we finished here. I kind of added a little bit more highlights into the sky to kind of lighten it up, look a little bit dark, but it's basically correct to the photo. Added a little bit of red lights, the tracers, as well as the white lights on the bridge. I left it kind of a golden light. I like that really golden contrast to the purple, so I left it golden. It is a little whiter than that, but the golden has a really nice effect. I added the golden lights into the skyscraper, and I, you know, filled in the bridge, kind of added it in. So hopefully you guys like it. Give it a thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe below, and see you in the next video. Thanks. Okay, so the question of the day was, what was the most deadliest fire in California? So that was the campfire. That was very recent. It started in November 2018, Butte County. Little small fire by a place called Camp Creek. And it has caused currently 84 civilian deaths, but there's also 600 people missing, so probably those guys are up in smoke as well. And 5 firefighters. It's destroyed 153,000 acres, 17,000 structures, and 12,000 homes. So quite a lot of damage. And for my painting, I actually painted the scene from this campfire that all the smog came down to San Francisco and actually blocked out the sun almost, not completely, but it definitely left a huge smog remark and created the most deadliest air ever in San Francisco, which is crazier than all the Chinese cities, all the Indian cities, which is just outrageous because those are like kind of in an industrial area where they're polluting a lot. So this was just natural forest fire. The pollution was so outrageous that literally is the worst city in the world for about a week on pollution. So that's my question today. Hope you guys like it. See you in the next video.